Welcome. In this video, we're going to learn how to change uppercase to lowercase text in Word. Hello, my name is Mark, and you're watching the Office Master tutorial. Office Master is here to help you learn how to use Microsoft Office in a quick and simple step-by-step tutorials. Sometimes you're typing away and you don't notice that your text is in uppercase. The good news is, you don't have to retype the whole thing. Microsoft Word has a couple of ways to change the case of your text with just a couple of clicks. First, highlight the text that's in uppercase. Navigate to the Home tab, and in the font group, click on the Change Case button. It looks like a capital and lowercase a. Each option in the drop-down menu shows an example of what your text will look like. Sentence case is used to capitalize the first letter of each sentence. Lowercase is used to change the text from uppercase to lowercase. Uppercase is used to convert the text from lowercase to uppercase. Capitalize each word is used to capitalize the first letter of each word. Toggle case is used to shift between two views, e.g. to shift between capitalize each word and capitalize each word where the first word in each sentence is lowercase. If you're comfortable using keyboard shortcuts, to fix a caps lock error, press the Shift and F3 keys. This will change all your highlighted text to lowercase. If you press and hold the Shift and F3 keys again, the highlighted text will change to a sentence case. That means that the first letter of each sentence will be capitalized. If you found this tutorial helpful, reward us with a like. Is this your first time on our YouTube channel? We would be more than grateful to welcome you to our community, so hit the subscribe button to enjoy more of our videos and learn how to master Word. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.